Good morning, my dear class 8 students. Noigi PA1 loiraba matungda ko akoigi ihan hana class amuk tawbasi ngasi sina ihan hale Monday. Noi PA1 gi dudai duda noina question singdu adumaina yamna laiba ngaktani adu yam phajana chumambasu yawi adu yam phajadana tawrambasu yawi adu any noigi doubt laiba amadi चिंगनब लेरबसु हंगो नत्रगना नुखोइदा खंगदब लेरगसु अदुमाइना ngalingayda adumai hango amu hangalaga adumaina take adu ngasigi sidai seita oiriba hansi the world of the living is the conservation of plants and the animals number 7 ko conservation of plants and the animals sigi sidai seita akoigi laigadoribasi kari karino kamai tawdana conserve tawgadorino plants na kamai na conserve tawgani animal na kamai na conserve tawgani habna chingbado adugi matang dudani ko sida khanagadori je sigi sidai seita akoida ihan hanbada biodiversity haiba ma yawgani ko biodiversity di karino haiba matamda akoina se living things makhan mayam ama adumaina jaga amada adumaina leminabado aduidu biodiversity kawai Habadi say the variety of living things that are found in a region is referred to as the biodiversity of that region. Haidi akoina say chauna jaga kolaga ngangbasu yai biodiversity je apikpado obasu yai karigumba jaga amada akoina say akoi living things mayam haitare ko plants and the animals oirani ningthijana admaina leminariba jaga do adubu biodiversity ko goneba Adosida flora kind of wahai sizinarkani flora haragana planta fauna haragana animal ta sumaina sizinarpakwa ade species ka haba wahai sizinarkani species haidi karino hakanda group of the organism oigadaba organism ki group aduga moji am close oina related to each other se haibadi group to adai se species group of organisms originated from the same origin ka hai ko haidi se moi jam nakna boy ga ba group sida laiminari do adu do species kaina ga maina hai dui targadi sigi matex da noina khangi si biodiversity khange flora khange fauna khange species khange sigi je pa ba sidai jai yarokadori ni ko sigi pathaba matam sidai jai sigi wahai singche khangdragadi adumaina pa ba yaroidori ni aduga akoina living things ka se non living things ka su adum mari leina ba poni non living things ai tardi oxygen ka se non living things ni oxygen bu thawai pan bra pande adu batar ga su oxygen je koi chor hon ba de siji nai chor hon dra di miwe ba je si doi ni natra oxygen si am important ne ba oiri che doi ju ma je thawai di pande ba non living ne ba ador badi thawai pan ba ga panda ba ga ani si ju adum mari leina rakta ba yade chini ko hainingi se adoi targadi se matek ama admaina yengsi akoina pambi sidasu akoina makhan gi admaina yamna leigrajani hingna bu honarakpada jaga du dai du da kamaina akoina noinaga makhada tamakpada akoina pitcher plant kaina ga pitcher plant kumbasi silong da ko meghalaya da yam phange adagi moi sidai ta tawgodori si moi da watliba deficiency oiribado adugido hujiki adu dai du da moigi insects haitare ko tin kang do maina pharaga digest tokthokadoi venus flytrap kaina ga lei sumai tokdana makhan mayam ama leigidori ni ko adudi yengo madam na parake munna maina taba amadi yengba maina changi ko biodiversity if you can go to a park or forested area in your town or city What trees, shrubs, half do you see around you? Sigi matex the trees as na karino, shrub na karino, half na karino kaji jo ekta khangdo kadamni trees hai targadi. Moido woody oigadabni aduga se woody oiraga adagi akoigi haidi magi stem magi shoot system ka se admaina kandana khotana admaina oigadabni argi magi height ta su lei ko madi khara tol oibatai sa fai targana khoina chaina rose gumba chingche yang wang badi nataba party singche ha fai targana yam aniamba party singche oi sumaina si jingju khangba tare trees na karino, saf na karino, half na karino, trees hai tardi tall oigani, ha adagi woody oigani, hard oigoduba ko. Saf kara admaina name gani. For example, China rose trees ka harga mangoes kumba ji pan bere. Noina hairako ya yam name asu admaina du mango se admaina mango tree se admaina mango pale adu taragadi moi se tree ka ugadro sap ka roidro kaina ga hairako ya aduna natural oidre ko aduna artificial asemba pone. Adoi taragadi khongnang pambi jiju aidi banyan jiju adumaina noi semaga pigdru pigna gamla da dum thai natra adolomduna atopa akhogi artificial technique lomda chathara ani aduga natural da di haiba dum do mai oigani. Do you see animals such as insects, birds, lizards and squirrels? In a forest you may see larger animals like monkeys or perhaps even snakes. The variety of living things that are found in a region is referred to as the biodiversity of that region. Say forest ki biodiversity yenga se na khalo moina sida hari se ko forest da lairi si asauba khogi se larger animals su laire monkey laire na khalo snake su laire na khalo adagi insect su laire adagi bird su laigani lizard su laigani adagi di squirrel su laigani ko adagi di hobada tree ju hogani sap su hogani half su hogani adagi akhoi mina uba phangdaba microorganisms mayam amasu laigani hairiba adugi jaga du da punna hairiba singse plants and animals se adumaina flora and fauna du phajana adumaina nakna na mari akhoi gi lainana ko ya akhoi gi jaga du da adumaina laimina ganeba. The variety of living things that are found in a region that is referred to as the biodiversity of that region. Habidi hujiki changa singduga pambi singduga mari laina daba yaroi. Changa singdudagi changa singdu laibaduna pambi sing hinge pambi sing laibaduna changa sing hinge animak se interdependent oinaba adumaina oigadabneba ko. The plants in the region from the flora of that region, whereas the animals together are referred to as the fauna of the place. Haidi hairiba mafam duda hauriba flora, plants, fauna, animals referred to as the fauna of the place. Animals su hairiba jaga dugi fauna ni, hairiba jaga dugi flora ni, plants duna ko. Duna flora and the fauna. Akogi haibasi plants and the animals akogi living together kamai tawdana haiba akogi region do aduda leibadubo akoina biodiversity na kawganeba. Can you see all the living things that you see in a park or forest is a bushy area in the center of the town? Biodiversity varies from place to place. Tropical rainforests have a greater variety of living things than other areas. Similarly, among aquatic habitats, coral reefs have the highest biodiversity. Aduga hairiba akoina se aquatic habitat haitaraga ising da hainaba singse ko adagi kangphan da hainaba party amasu lei ka adagi amuk hairiba akoina aquatic habitat singsidadi akoina coral reefs have the highest biodiversity adumaina oigani ko moi singchi akoigi ising manung sidai da laigadoini ko coral reefs singcha. Scientists measure the biodiversity of a region by counting the number of species there. Species singular and plural the species adum haire group of organism ni kamai tawba ya are close related to each other and can reproduce within the group. Haidi karino haiba matamda moisi yamna close related oinaba organism singje group of organism singche aduga close related each other aduga kaidoba reproduce to tawba ngamba within the group sidai adudi akhoi species manadraga de reproduce tawba yade ko human beings haidi homo sapiens akhoi gi hairiba group se anywhere everywhere si world da leba jaga amada leba homo sapiens singchiga akhoi ga adum reproduce tawba yare. For example, all Indian elephants belong to one species, whereas all Bengal tigers belong to another one. It is estimated that around 8.7 million, 87 lakh species are found on the earth, of which around 75% are found on land, 25% are found in the oceans and the seas. Only about 1.5 million species have been counted so far, within new ones being discovered every year. Haidi sigi Asian elephant haidorane ko. Asian elephant habatari Asian elephant ka manaba species singje sigi manung sidai jaida moisi adumaina reproduce tawgani. Bengal tiger so adumain tawgani. Adigi sida leiba singchu adumain tawgani. Aduga anau mayam amuju puthorakpagi aroibadi adumaina naidri. Sibok leirako hujikcha. Forest and diversity habako. Forest ki diversity jamu yengji. India has a variety of forests. India si yamna laiko forest sing si yam makan mayam ama laigrab jani. We can find tropical rainforest, temperate deciduous forest, pine forest, tidal or mangrove forest, dry deciduous forest, evergreen forest, and so on in India. High basing tropical rainforest, temperate deciduous forest, pine forest, tidal or mangrove forest ka hariba mayam singji spiriba singji India da leiba ngaktani. Around 20% of the land in India is covered by forest. 20% of the India's land gi saruk se forest in loinbak laire ko. The forests of India are storehouse of biodiversity. Storehouse of biodiversity habako India da leiba forest singji dai seisa. Forest singji da leiji karino mamang da leiba singduni ko. Mamang da leiba singdu loinamak adumaina se plant and animals adumaina lainaraga leiribani interdependent oiraga adumaina laiminari ni ko. Say the forests of the Western Ghats and the Eastern Himalayas are dense and particularly rich in flora and fauna. Haiba Western Ghats da Western Ghat ka adagi Eastern Himalaya ka haiba dense adi yam kungba yam horam tare gumba si yam marang kaina horam tare ko sanga si yam lainam tare flora and fauna si yam rich oi hare. It is estimated that India as a whole is home to around 350 species of mammals. Mammals that 350 species India da ko 1,200 species the bird, 400 species the reptiles. Reptiles ti khangi ko mabung na sila satpa party singche 200 species of amphibian hargana boat habitat karai do oibangamba say water and land 2,500 species of fish and 15,000 species of flowering plants. Flowering plants is our kind angiosperm ka haraki doini ko. India is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. Biodiverse countries aita di plant ka animal ka phajana koi gi close related oina lainaraga jaga amada region amada lainaba adugumba dubu biodiversity hai adugumba gi yamna koi gi mawong taba leibak amani habako India se. An endemic species is a species to ngasai kari haigre group of organism ni kaidoba closely related each other and can reproduce within the group haibanatro aduba targadi endemic species is a species that is found only in a specific area in the whole world have endemic species se karamba species amani karamaina found only in the specific akaknaba area amada in the whole world sidai akaknaba jaga amada phangba dugumba species makandubu akoina endemic species kawe. India is home to many endemic species. The Asiatic lion is endemic to Gir National Park in Gujarat. Sigi Asiatic lion ka haise endemic haidi akaknaba mafam amada phangba haibani ko adumaina National Park Gujarat sidai ja phange. The Indian giant squirrel yamna sauba adumaina akogi khairoi ko. The lion tail the lion tail macaques habako and the Salim Ali fruit bat and the forest owlet are some endemic species of India. Hai sigi singche mafam akaknaba kharada adumaina moi singche laigani habako aduna say example oina haribada akoigi sidasu siroi lili haribasi siroi lili haribasi siroi chingchida natraga atai dadi laite hai ꯀꯩꯕꯨꯜ ꯂꯝꯖꯥꯎꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯐꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯤꯁ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯦꯟꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯠꯁ include many species of orchids. Orchid adi karino hakanda akhoi se khongun melaigumba akhoi uda nappaga leiba singche ko akhoi kaino singche epiphyte hai ko moi se epiphyte party singche medicinal plants aidi hidak langthak sungba yaba pambi sing mayam ama dumaina lei ko si singni hujik lei se si matex dagi noina khangadaba si flora fauna biodiversity species adagidi endemic species sina chingba mayam chingche admaina khangba tare ꯑꯗꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯍꯧꯕꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯕꯣꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯇꯥꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯠꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯨ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯐꯨꯀꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯆꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯕꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨꯅꯦ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯑꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯇꯦꯗꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯅꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯔꯥ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯀꯗꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯉꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯦꯇꯦꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ